If you're viewing photos or videos on your iPhone, rotating your phone is mostly preferable. However, in some cases, the screen might not follow the orientation change. Here's how to fix the auto rotate feature not working on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is check if the issue persists on other apps as well, or if it is exclusive to a single app. If it's for a single app, just restarting it should fix the problem. To do that, swipe up from the home bar and hold for a second to open the multitasking view. Now swipe up on the app to close it. Alternatively, if you're using an older iPhone with the home button, you can double-tap the home button and swipe the app up and off the top. Now, if the issue persists across various apps on your iPhone, the first thing to do is turn off the screen rotation lock. Just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. Here, just tap on the rotation lock to disable it. If this doesn't fix it, the issue might be caused by the display zoom feature being enabled. To disable it, open your iPhone settings app and tap on Display and Brightness. Tap on View under the Display Zoom section, and then set it to Standard. Once it's done, your phone will restart with a new zoom setting. Hopefully, Auto Rotate is working now. But in the case it doesn't fix the issue, you can try resetting your iPhone settings. This will reset all your preferred settings, such as saved Wi-Fi passwords and local settings. However, it won't erase any personal data, so you don't have to worry about it. To reset your iPhone settings, open the iPhone Settings app and tap on General. Here, tap on Reset All Settings. Once done, try to rotate your iPhone. Hopefully, everything is back to normal. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials for your iPhone and other tech products. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.